What is going on, guys? So today I was just gonna stay home and fish. It's been raining like crazy all day. We finally got a break, and Kayak Angler, who's already here, I'll link his channel down below, go check him out. Kept posting pictures, or posted a couple of pictures of him catching fish over here, like really close to where I live. So I was like, screw it, I'm gonna head out. It's my first time fishing over here, and hopefully I can find him. So yeah, let's go.
That trick worm in there. Oh my god, man. Dude, that would have definitely been my PB right there.
Yeah?
For the year. Heck yeah.
You let it get away?
Let it get away, man. Let it get away.
I see fish down there at the bottom.
What's that?
I can see fish on the fish finder.
Yeah.
Got him. Got him? Got him on the front. Dude, has to be like a 4. What? Dude. It's like a 4-pounder for sure. Alright guys, over here running the frog across these mats. God, I'm glad I brought my net today. First topwater frog fish of the year. Get a quick weight on her. What do you think?
I'm gonna say 3.87.
387, as Kayak Angler says. 337.
337?
Yeah.
Oh, I was off by 50. Hold on.
He was close.
I'm in yet.
Hold on, let me get the scale up. First fish of the day, guys.
Nice.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, guys. Thanks, big girl. There she goes. Get all this cleaned up now.
We're tied as far as weight with the 3 I caught.
1-1. What, you got 3 so far?
Yeah.
Kayak Angler has 3 over here already. He's the reason I came out today. I was trying to relax all day, but somebody just sending me pictures in my territory over here fishing.
Oh man.
So I had to come out and show him what's up. I need to get at least 2 more though, catch up to him. But yeah, everything else over here is like 10 feet. And I came over here to fish like this, all this vegetation on top water. So topwater frog came up and nailed it. I don't even know if this camera back here is pointing at me. Jeez. Hell yeah. So, let's see if we can get at least 1 more. Uh-oh. Not again. Out of this slime back here. I thought that was gonna be like a 4-pounder. It felt bigger. I think it's just because of all the junk over here. All the junk. Whoa, I just moved. Something just rigged real. Let's get another one. I got. Ah! No!
Missed one?
Did you hear that?
I heard you.
God. It was big too. Like.
Oh, get out of here.
Better tie on a frog, man. That looked big. Hopefully he'll come back for it. Got a bite.
Oh, you got a bite? Oh, there you go. Get him out. Oh!
Hey!
Oh! There you go. I told you I had one by the tree too.
Poor guy.
Hope you have that on video.
Fish number 2, guys. I just had to launch him over the tree to get him in.
Man.
Sorry, buddy.
Yeah. It is pouring right now. There's a John soaked. Here I am soaked.
Pull the hook out of my foot.
Oh yeah, yeah. He had a treble hook in his foot, man. That was pretty bad.
Be careful, get out of your kayak. In the rain.
Ooh, man, the hail just hit us, and the hail's gone, but the winds are coming. It is howling.